Next on the list we have kube-c-tl get config maps. This will list all the config maps inside the namespace. Most of the times just running a pod is not enough. We need to do some customizations and some configurations. Out of the box, just picking the image and then running as a container is not enough for us. As a regular DevOps projects and all, we need to do some configuration changes. Say for example, you need to modify the default Nginx homepage. What about you have to connect to the specific database? You might think that you can directly get into the pod and then make a changes, but that's not always works. When you do restart the pods, the configuration also vanishes. To avoid these situations, we have to create separate config sections so that we'll do all the customizations inside that, and this will apply even though the pods getting restarted. To quickly see what is the config maps available in your namespaces, we have to run this command kube-c-tl get config maps, and you'll get the list of config maps available. And if you want to see what is inside the particular config map, here in this case it says like kube-c-tl root CA certificate is available. Let's see that, describe config map and then the name of that, and you can see the certificate available here. So similarly you can also create a new config map just like the pods and the service